TeraFlex's Alpine rear track bar for the JL Wrangler is adjustable, making it perfect for any lift height or Jeep build. The heavy-duty reinforced track bar is unyielding, even with the most excessive side-to-side forces. You can install the JL Alpine rear track bar with the wheels on the ground or when it is lifted up in the air. Begin by removing the factory rear track bar. Since the Alpine rear track bar is adjustable, we need to make sure it is set to the correct length. Loosen the bolts. Adjust the track bar to the desired length. The factory track bar length is a good starting point for any setup. You can always adjust it after it is installed on the vehicle. If you need to adjust the length once the track bar has been installed, follow the same process. Install the track bar. Attach it to the frame end first. If you are installing the track bar with the wheels off the ground, then tighten the hardware only after it has been returned to the ground and the suspension is under load again. Install the axle end. Sometimes you might need to use a ratchet strap to pull on the axle and get things to line up perfectly. Tighten the clamp bolts. Make sure you tighten evenly. These bolts clamp the adjusting mechanism, preventing it from turning. Loose or improperly tightened bolts could damage the track bar over time. And finally, here's a shot of the track bar while driving on a more or less level trail.